Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Crafty Bird. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful Pipa knot, and by use of this knot you will make beautiful earrings. Let's get started. To make the Pipa knot you need to take a piece of rope and then just make a loop like this. This is under and this is over. Now pick the longer end and then just make a loop here. This shorter end and this loop is coming side by side now. Now take the longer end and then wrap behind this above loop and come back like this, and then just follow the inner side of loop and then again wrap it like this and keep following the pattern. Like this, and then wrap it again. And now you can see this little loop here, and this end is coming from back side, like wrapping like this, and now this loop will go through this hole. And that's how you got your Pipa knot. Then there is always adjustment time when you need to adjust. So this is how you have your Pipa knot here. Now you can always pull this shorter end like this to shorten this loop as much as you want. You can pull it. From the back side it looks like this. This end and this end can be sew or tied, or you can glue it here. By using this Pipa knot you can make various things like keychains, like you can use in different patterns. I use this in an earring here. You can see this is the earring I made by using Pipa knot. So let's start with this earring. You need a big jump ring and earring hook, and you need 20 inches of cord. This is 3 mm of cord, and it is polyester cord I'm using here. You can use any cord you have. Like this, and the same thing we will do. Shorter end on the right side, and we will make a loop here like this, and then we'll make another loop here like this. We need to check the size. This is the size you want. So this time we need to check the size of this earring also. Just measure the outer loop here and then carry on your work. So this is the right size of loop here. Wrap tightly. And we have 1, 2, 3 wraps here. So one more time, and then pass through this loop. So this is what we have here. Now you can pull the short end here. Now just cut this piece and fix it here like this. cut this one also. And then just fix your hook here like this, and the position of hook should be like this. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful Pipa knot. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Until the next tutorial, take care of yourself and Khuda Hafiz.